Find features that distinguish it from other brands for DREAME J1 Robotic Pool Surface Skimmer powered by solar, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 24/7 non-stop cleaning power. Experience uninterrupted cleaning with our advanced dual power system. Powered by an 18-watt solar panel, it captures sunlight for truly continuous operation. When sunlight is insufficient, a single charge via DC adapter fuels its robust 5000 mAh battery for extended operation. Enjoy long-lasting performance that minimizes recharging needs. Effortless chlorine dispensing for clearer water. Simplify pool maintenance with the J1. Simply place chlorine tablets into its dispenser, and during cleaning cycles, they dissolve steadily to help purify water and maintain clarity. Enjoy consistently cleaner pool water with minimal effort. Intuitive app control at your fingertips. Manage your pool cleaner effortlessly through the DREAME Home app. Start or pause cleaning, choose specialized modes, initiate one-tap docking, and stay updated on essential details, all from your device. Optimized paths and edge cleaning. High-precision sensors help the J1 navigate the pool effectively. This enables methodical cleaning patterns for thorough surface coverage and efficiency. Additionally, specialized sensors detect boundaries over a wider area, prompting a gentle slowdown near walls for safe operation and surface care. Thorough surface cleaning and capture. The J1's cleaning system provides comprehensive coverage across the pool surface. Its dual roller brush helps manage debris along the waterline and corners. An optimized flow path guides material into the filter basket, where it remains contained during operation, contributing to clearer water. High-capacity collection. Featuring a 5-liter debris bin, the J1 reduces emptying frequency. The easy-access lid simplifies waste removal, and the bin is designed for straightforward rinsing, minimizing maintenance effort. Flexible dual charging. The J1 incorporates both solar and adapter charging options. It utilizes solar energy in brighter conditions, and transitions to adapter charging as needed, supporting extended operation times for sustained pool maintenance. UV-resistant construction. Constructed with UV-resistant materials, the J1 is designed to help withstand exposure to sunlight and environmental elements, contributing to its continued operation and longer-term use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.